Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English, and today we're going to start a new story to you. So, for that, you all take out your English literature book and open chapter 10. The title of this chapter is Little Benjamin. Little Benjamin. Student, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you something that this chapter is about the Golden family who was extremely delighted with the arrival of cute little baby in their home. They found the baby at their doorstep and welcomed it. They decided to take care of the baby and they also named him Little Benjamin. So student, without wasting time, let's start the reading. So first of all, from the beginning, this extract from a story by the 19th century American writer Laura A. Richards tells the cheering tale of the Golden family who find a baby on their doorstep one night. It doesn't take long for this loving family to welcome the baby into their home and their hearts. Next line, come to the next. I think the kitty wants to come in, said Mother Golden. So student, in this story, the Mother Golden is hearing the kitty's voice. The kitty is crying outside. Kitty is a cat, name of a kitten. Mother Golden is telling Adam to go and take the kitty inside the home. Okay, so I think the kitty wants to come in, said Mother Golden. I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? Adam, the son of Golden Mother. Okay, so Adam was reading, and when his mother to saying that go and take the kitty inside the home, Adam let down his book and went out. The whole family looked up cheerfully, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. There was a pause, and then Adam came back with a white, scared face. He looked at his father without speaking. What is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. When the Adam came back from the outside, so Father Golden asked to him, what happened, my son? So then Adam replied, the cat is not there. Adam said, okay, it is a basket, father. A basket? What does the boy mean? A long basket with something white inside it. It's crying. Oh my God, said Mother Golden, and she was out of the door in a flash. So student, what the means of flash, do you know? It means she ran out quickly. See there now. See there now, said Father Golden. Go and help her, some of you. When Mother Golden going to the outside, then Father Golden said to their children, go and help their mother. So the children ran toward the door but were met by Mother Golden returning. So when the children are going there, so that time the Mother Golden was returning. In her arms was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. When the children are going there, they saw that Mother Golden was returning, and in her arms there was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. So student, what the means of fluffy? Do you know about the means of fluffy? It means soft. Okay. A baby, exclaimed Father Golden. Mother Golden lifted the child out. The baby stopped crying and looked up at her face. My heart, said Mother Golden again. Come here, girls. So that time, when Mother Golden put down the baby stopped the crying and looked up at her face. So that time, Golden Mother said, my heart, and she calling their daughters. Okay, she calling her daughter. The girls bent forward eagerly. What the means of eagerly? Do you know? It means eagerly means fastly. Okay. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. They are like pink shell, only soft. Oh, see it moved them, Ruth. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight. Come to the next page. Oh, mother, may we keep it? Cried both girls at once. Mother Golden was examining the baby's cloth. Here's note. When the Mother Golden checked the baby, she found a paper in his cloth. Okay, so she opened a folded paper and saw a few words written in a rough hand. When the Mother Golden opened that folded paper, she saw a few words written in a rough hand. Then, his mother is dead. His father is a waster, she read aloud. When she opened that letter, she read that inside the letter there is some few words are written, and that word was, his mother is dead, his father is a waster. So student, what's the meaning of waster? Do you know about it? The waster means useless. The waster means useless. And Mother Golden read this letter in a loud way. Okay, loudly. It's a boy, then, said Father Golden. He came forward to have a look. The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? There are places like orphanage around. We have already got 5 children to take care of. When they read the letter and they become know that the little boy's mother and father, mother was dead and is useless, father was useless. So then Father Golden asked to the Mother Golden that what shall we do with him. They offered to send the baby into the orphanages. Okay, because they already have 5 children to take care. So that time, oh, we could help, cried Mary. I could wash and dress him. I know I could, and I had just loved to. So could I, said 12 years old Ruth. We had taken turns, Mary and I. Do let's keep him, mother. In 5 minutes, Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. So, Mother Golden is feeding. Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee and watched the process with eager eyes. See him grab the spoon, said Joseph. My, isn't he strong? can he talk, mother? Joseph, you chucklehead, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most things. How can he talk when he has not got any teeth? Baby has got a tooth too, Adam, Mother Golden said. When Joseph said that the baby wants to talk, so that time Adam said that you have a fool. How it is possible that baby has a no teeth in his mouth? So how can he talk when he has not got any teeth? So that time Mother Golden replied that I feel baby has got a tooth too. I feel it breaking through the gum this minute. I was thinking, Mother Golden said eagerly, it would be best to keep him to his teething and stomach. Now come to the next. Troubles and give him a good start in the way of proper food and nursing. So student, we all know that when a baby got their teeth, they faces many problem. So that time Mother Golden said that we will take care of the baby. Children, what do you say? Asked Father Golden. You were old enough to have your say, even the youngest of you. Oh, keep him, shouted the three younger children. Adam and Lemuel exchanged a glance. Exchanged a glance. I guess he had better stay, father, said Adam. When father is asking that what should we do now, so then all the children are saying that please keep him, keep him. They all are shouted. Adam and Lemuel exchanged a glance. So that time father said, I guess he had better stay. Adam said to father. I think so too, said Lemuel. Lemuel and Adam said to the father, please keep him in our home. So, and both gave something like a sigh of relief. Then that's settled, said Father Golden. Supposing that no objection turns up. Next thing is, what shall we call this child? When the problem was solved that the baby will be kept by the Golden family in their house. So the next problem is, what shall they call this child? All eyes were fixed on the baby who now sat on Mother Golden's knee. It was a pretty picture. The rosy dimpled creature, the yellow floss ruffled all over his head, his sweet little mouth open in beaming smile, smiling. Next, back at him, Mother Golden's calm face in its frame of silver hair, and Father Golden in his big leather chair. The five children with their sober faces. What the means of sober? Do you know? The means of sober. It means serious faces. Lit up with the unusual excitement, a pleasant family picture, but now all the light in the room seemed to come central on the baby's yellow flossy curls. After that, a goo, said the baby in a gurgle. The little baby is saying in his way, agoo, agoo. So that time Joseph announced that he says his name's Goo. So that time Adam said, don't be chucklehead, Joseph. We had better give the child a suitable name, Mother. So Mother said that we should give the better name to this little baby. So now, oh, call him Arthur, Bill, Reginald, cried the children together. So that time, Mother Golden said, I do love a Bible name, said Mother Golden. All our own children have Bible names. Let us know, let us not cut the little stranger off from his privilege. So student, now tell me what the means of privilege. Do you know about the meaning of privilege? It means the means of privilege is special right. Okay, so now that time the little baby become a part of that golden family. So now the mother is decided that we don't cut the right of this little baby. Okay, so Lemuel dear, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother, and so are you. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest, you shall open it. Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes, laid his hand on the page, then looking down the read. Then looking down, he read, there is a little Benjamin, their ruler, and the princes of Judah, their council, the princes of Jebulun, and the princes of Naphtali. Jebulun and Naphtali are difficult. Names, said Mother Golden. Benjamin shall be this child's name, little Benjamin. The Lord bless and keep him. Student, we are completing our reading. Now, I am going to explain this story to you in a short way. So this chapter begins when golden families heard someone crying somewhere. They were expecting for their pet cat, Aladdin. Adam was asked to go at the doorstep, so he went out. When he reached at the doorstep, he was scared to see something white that was crying into the long basket. So he went back and told what he saw in the basket. After hearing this, Mother Golden ran to the doorstep and found a baby in the basket. As soon as Mother Golden lifted up the child in her arms, the baby stopped crying. Whole family was surprised to seeing the baby. Mother Golden examined the baby, examining the baby clothes, and found a note written, his mother is dead and father is a waster. Father Golden asked to send the baby in orphanages, but because Mother Golden has already 5 children to take care of, nobody in the family agreed to Father Golden. All the children wanted to take care of the baby, and finally Golden family decided to keep the child in their house. The next task was to give the baby a suitable name. Mother Golden said that all the babies have a Bible name, so she don't want to cut off this privilege. She asked Joseph to open the Bible, and the first word that he read was Little Benjamin. In this way, the baby got the name Little Benjamin. So student, I hope that you all like this story and enjoying it very well. So student, you have to keep reading this story and also learn the hard words of this lesson. You have to find out the hard word and learn them. Okay. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your study continue. Okay student, thank you.